So guys, just wanted to bring you an update of what was going on in the shop today with Project Dart. As you see, there's a sheet of 1/4 inch ABS plastic here on the floor. I didn't make a video of this because I'm not happy with the way it looks, but we installed this universal diffuser, I don't know, 2 weeks ago. It is coming off. We're going to make a custom diffuser for the back today, or this weekend I should say, along with you can see the start of making the template for the side splitters, and we're also going to make the front splitter out of this sheet of ABS over here. So I will continue videoing throughout the day so you guys can kind of see this process and see how it turns out in the end. Thank you. Alright guys, here's kind of where we are at the moment. I don't have a tripod yet, so I've just been stopping the video, and I'll compile all these in the end. We do have both side skirts cut out of the ABS. Passenger side is mounted. We're currently working on mounting the driver's side at the moment. Then we're going to move on to making the template for the front and cutting it out and getting it mounted. And then probably tomorrow we will be moving forward with the new rear diffuser setup that we're going to make custom also. Alright guys, it's late here, Saturday evening. We do have both sides complete now and installed. I also decided to go ahead and build the custom diffuser today instead of the front splitter. Tomorrow we'll do the front splitter, and then I'll get this video uploaded sometime probably late Sunday night. Pretty happy with the way it turned out. Of course the car's aired completely out right now, but want to make sure they weren't going to hit the ground before the car aired out completely. It's about noon on Sunday now. Just another update of where we are currently. We've got the template roughly laid out. I'm waiting on my wife to get off work to bring me an actual compass so that I can make these final determination of where the edge of the splitter will actually be. But this kind of gives you an idea. Then we've started cutting out basically the underneath side of the ABS, the parts that no one's ever going to see, so that it's ready once she gets here with the compass. I can cut the plywood template, lay it on here, and make the final cuts on this, and then I'll make an ending to this video to show you the entire kit installed and complete. Alright guys, it's getting late here. I was able to get the front splitter cut out and finalized. It's somewhat mounted right now. Tomorrow after work I'm going to have to mount the carbon struts on it, as well as get a couple more bolts. I didn't have some quite long enough to grab the bottom of the front bumper, as I don't want it hanging from the body kit alone. But that is the end of the video for the custom AREO kit. I will upload an additional video once it's done and back on the ground tomorrow night. But if you enjoy what you're seeing on this channel, please subscribe to our channel and continue to like our videos.